Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this in 2025 and the DoorDash app is acting up, maybe it's crashing, not loading, or just freezing, you're not alone. This is a common issue, but don't worry. I'll guide you through easy, step-by-step fixes that should get you back to ordering your favorite meals in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal could be the culprit. Open another app that requires internet, like your browser, and see if it works. If not, restart your router or switch to mobile data. This simple step resolves about half the problems people face. Next, try force closing the DoorDash app and reopening it. On Android, go to your recent apps and swipe it away. On iOS, double-click the home button or swipe up from the bottom. If that doesn't help, restart your entire device. Sometimes, a quick reboot clears temporary glitches. Now, let's update the app. Head to your App Store, Google Play or Apple App Store, and check for any available updates for DoorDash. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues, especially with the latest 2025 tech advancements. Once updated, launch the app and see if it's working better. If you're still stuck, clear the app's cache and data. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. iOS users might need to offload the app or reset settings. This removes corrupted files without deleting your account info. Another thing to check is if DoorDash's servers are down. Visit sites like Downdetector or DoorDash's official Twitter for any reported outages. If it's a widespread issue, you'll just have to wait it out. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you have a fresh install, but remember to log back in afterward. And if nothing works, contact DoorDash support through their help center or app. They're usually quick to respond. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, your DoorDash app should be up and running smoothly. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.